disdains Europe, who has labelled Europeans as NATO freeloaders, who has excluded Europeans from meaningful talks about
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. New Jersey at 12:50 am on APR 21st, 2026, effective until 2:50 am. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official